Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Levoit Elva 300X air purifier. So you can see here, we are in a room where it has some construction going on. This room really kind of smells bad. And so we're going to see this air purifier has a real-time air quality tester on it. So you can see here I left this sticker on which tells us what's going on. So it says it has a real-time air quality level, gives some instructions here, has a HEPA filter, display. You can also get a mobile app to use it. I'm just going to show you how to use it without the mobile app. They have a huge operator's manual that you can check out. So here, getting to know your air purifier, all the different parts. Very, very simple to use, to take apart. It's twist and remove. You can use it with Wi-Fi, so you could connect it up with like your smart device, whether it's Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, whatever. On-off button, obviously the power there. You can kind of figure that out. You can check out this. Controls and display, so you can toggle through the cycles to get different cycles to use. Has a sleep mode, so it can shut off automatically. Wi-Fi indicator, so you can sync it with the app. Fan speed. Display, so you can turn the display on and off if you don't want light like at night when you're sleeping. External sensors, AQI, PTM, PM10, the HEPA filter, so different indicators there. Setting it up to remove it, to get the HEPA filter bag off, packaging, get it back going, clicks together. Then it says to have it be 15 inches from anything. So you can see here, I have it set up in a corner, pretty much exactly like they're showing. All right, app setup. We don't need that right now. Using the air purifier, so here we go. Color level. Blue is good, green, moderate, orange, unhealthy, red, very unhealthy. So now what we're going to do is power this up. This is the first time I'm using this, by the way. So this is basically a walkthrough and setup of how to use this air purifier. So what we're going to do is hit this button. Press, hold 5 seconds. Maybe we gotta, there we go. All right, so what are we on? This is the air quality in this room. By the way, right now I am wearing a mask because this room, I'll just give you a little tour of the room. It smells. We've got an open pipe right here. So some septic, basically kitchen lines, so drain, so it stinks. We got a bunch of buckets of sand. We've got an open crawl space there. So it's kind of a nasty area. I'm wearing a mask because I don't like the smell, but according to this, our air quality level looks to be 61. So let's check that out. And it's green, so that would be slightly unhealthy, which makes sense. It's not bad air, but it's not really good air. Let's go to the chart here. Green, 51 to 100. Moderate air quality. So right now, we are on, let's get it close so you can see here. We are on moderate mode. It is auto. So we'll tap till the fan speed indicator is auto. Auto mode. Turbo mode, auto mode. So now it's just going to run till it gets the air pure to a healthy level. What it is going to do is, if the air quality is bad, the fan will automatically bump up to that level 4. If it is good, it'll just stay here where it is, and it will run automatically. Normally right now with green, it's going to run on number 2. You can see here they have a chart telling you what it will run on. If it's blue air quality, it'll just continue to run on number 1 to cycle the air. So it's got sleep mode. Tap the moon to turn that on and off right here. On, off. Oops, sorry about that. I like the stickers on here so I can see what I'm doing, but you could take this off and look at that. They're still on there because they light up. So the display This is a lock. Turn it off. Now you wouldn't know what you're doing. So I turn it back on. This is the different cycles. You can check the levels of the whatever, all these different meanings. So here you go, there's your moon on. Here's your fan speed. Auto. This is the display lock. Pretty much everything right there. Very, very easy to use, plug and play. It is an Energy Star. Let's get that back on. Energy Star appliance, so that's pretty awesome. I don't like that. I want it to stay on all the time. So let's hold it down. There we go. Now it moved. Let's see if it stays on. Display lock. Nope. So here, you can press and hold for 3 seconds. It will light up on the display. If it is turned off, it will flash 3 times just so that it has not been locked, then it turn off. So this is kind of the thing that you can experiment with, play with it, but right now you can see how it works. Let's turn this. Okay, that's locked. So now nothing can be touched. Let's get the lock off. Okay, blinks, it's off. Let's turn this to turbo mode. Fan is pretty good. It's not too loud. It's a nice sensor. It sucks air in from down here, blows it out here. It's not very, very strong. You can see kind of the difference of levels. Let's go through them. Auto. One is basically auto because we're still on green. 2, not much difference. 3, a little bit more. 4, turbo, a lot more, like 3 times more. So there you go. You can see the air quality hovering about the same. It takes quite a while to bring it down. You let this run for about 90 minutes and you will have some updates. You can also view real-time air quality in the app as well when you connect your app. So if you have any questions or comments, put them below. I'll do what I can to help you out. But this seems like a great air purifier. I like it because it's quiet, it's easy to use, it's small, hang out in the corner, shuts off on the display, turns on, everything you need right here, basically plug and play. So again, any questions, post them below. Otherwise, check it out. Link will be in the description below.